How to create a new Google account on TCL Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you create a new Google account on TCL Google TV. To create a new Google account on your TCL Google TV, you'll need to use your TV remote to navigate to the settings menu. You want to press the settings button on the TV remote and then select more settings. After you do it so, you will then be taken to the next field. Here from a menu, go to account and sign in. As you click on it, you can see different options. So go to Google, and once you go to Google, then you'll be able to see this option as sign in. So click that out, and then you'll be able to see this page. So here you simply want to go ahead and make sure to select use remote. After you do it so, then you'll be prompted to this field where you need to enter in the credential. Since you're creating account, so click on create account. Now start with the creation, so go ahead and type in your first name, last name, your date of birth, all of that, create your password and all that, and click on the next, and then click on the next button. As you do it so, you'll also be asked to enter in the verification code that will be sent to your phone number. So here you have to go to register the phone number, tap the next button. Moving on, enter in the verification code. Once again, tap on the next, and then you'll be able to see this review your Google account, all that. So if you're sure about it, click on the next button once again and go to this terms and conditions and scroll down and click on I agree. And with that being said, you've successfully set up a new Google account on your TCL Google TV. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.